Okay, so don't get mad at me, you guys, but this is not, and I repeat, this is not a tutorial. It was supposed to be a tutorial, but I ended up not even recording. But anyway, I'm gonna do this lace closure just like a frontal. I'm gonna end up doing a tutorial on this soon, but this video isn't. So yeah, I'm just showing y'all the way I did it. I just glued it down just like I would do a frontal. And then I sewed the sides and I secured it just like I would do a closure. So I did two methods on this client. I can't wait to do a tutorial on this. I customized it like I would do a frontal. I entered a part like I would do a frontal and a closure. Like it came out so fire. Like, and then I continued to sew around it to secure the tracks down. Like regularly. So the details on this style, well, basically, I bleached the knots. Usually I don't bleach the knots on my closure, but to get this look, I bleached the knots on my closure and I plucked it. Like I plucked this sucker down. I plucked it and then I customized it to my client. She wanted baby hair, so in the end you're gonna see I added baby hairs. We installed 3 bundles of hair to her. Yeah, sorry about my voice, y'all, because I'm sick right now. But I'm trying to get this video out for you because I have like so many other videos I need to get to you guys. And any more videos, just let me know what y'all want to see because I'm still producing more and more videos. I have so many more videos coming. But yeah, so anyway, back to her. We installed it and I styled it up. I get a lot of comments asking where to get the hair. You can purchase hair from me on my Instagram page. Contact me, DM me, email me. My website is being made now. That's why I don't have a website link. But just DM me at hair by Ashley 2 underscores.